Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 4, subject maths, chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. And this is third session on this chapter. In the previous session, I had given you the solutions for question number 1 and 2 in exercise 2A. In this video, let us continue solving the other questions in this exercise. Let us discuss application based questions in the exercise 2A. So under application based questions, we have question number 3, fill in the blanks. There are 4 fill in the blanks type questions, A, B, C, D. Let us solve these one by one and fill in the blanks. A. 1500 more than 7500 is. Andre 7500 ಗಿಂತ 1500 more ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು. To find this we have to add 1500 to 7500. So let us find the sum and fill in this blank. So let me write here. So I will write down the numbers. So we are solving question A here, and we should add 7500 and 1500. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. We'll write 0 here. 1 is carried forward. And 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9000. So therefore, the required answer to fill this blank is 9000. So you should write 9000 and fill in this blank. Coming to B, 9100 added to 11900 is. So we have to add these two numbers to find the required solution. B. 9000. So first let me write 11900. 11900 plus 9100. Add these numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 is written here. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 is carried forward and 1 plus 1 is 2. 21,000. So you should write 21,000 in this blank. C. 1 lakh increased by 6,000 is. So 1 lakh is given in words here. So we should write the corresponding numeral and add 6,000 to get the solution. C. 1 lakh. So 1 followed by 5 zeros. 1 lakh is increased by 6,000. Let us write 6,000 here. 6,000 and add. So what you get? Adding 0 to 0 is 0. We'll write zeros here. And 0 plus 6 is 6. 0, 1. So 1,06,000. Should write here 1,06,000. Yes. Coming to D, here we have 99,999 plus 0. We know that adding 0 to any number, we get the same number. So therefore 99,999 plus 0 is 99,999. So like this, solve these questions, find the correct answers and fill in the blanks. Question number 4. Find the number that exceeds 45,361 by 6,423. Andre 45,361 ಗಿಂತ 6,423 ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುವುದು. ಸೊ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುವ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 45,361 ಗಿಂತ 6,423 ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುವ ನಾವು ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So solution for this question is, what we should do is, we should add these numbers 45,361 plus 6,423. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 4 is 7, 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 is carried forward, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So 51,784 is the required solution. That means the number that exceeds 45,361 by 6,423 is 51,784. Question number 5. There are 75,678 males and 52,257 females in a town. Find the total population of the town. So ಒಂದು ಪಟ್ಟಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪುರುಷರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಪಟ್ಟಣದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So there are 75,678 males ಅಂದರೆ ಪುರುಷರು. ಸೊ 75,678 ಮೇಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು 52,257 ಫೀಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಟೌನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಆ ಟೌನಿನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ number of population in that town. So let us add 75,678 and 52,257. Add these two numbers. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 is carried forward. Regrouping. 15 ones can be written as 110 and 5 ones. 110 is carried forward to the tens place. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 is written here. 1 is carried forward. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Therefore, the total population of the town is 1,27,935. You should write the statement and conclude the problem. You should write it as the total population of the town is 1,27,935. Question number 6. In a certain area in Chennai, a newspaper agent delivers 12,235 English newspapers, 15,652 Tamil newspapers, and 8,743 Telugu newspapers each day. How many newspapers does he deliver in all in a day? So, Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. So, there a newspaper agent delivers newspapers of 3 languages, that is English, Tamil and Telugu. The number of newspapers delivered for different languages are given here. We have to find the total number of newspapers delivered by that newspaper agent. Again, to find the total number of newspapers delivered, we need to add the newspapers delivered, different language newspapers delivered in each day. So again, to find the solution, we will add those numbers. The English newspapers delivered were 12,235 and Tamil newspaper delivered were 15,652. Telugu newspapers delivered each day were 8,743. You have to write the numbers according to their place values. We have to add all these numbers to get the total number of newspapers delivered. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 has 1 10 and 0 ones. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 is carried forward, 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. 2 plus 1 is 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 is carried forward, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. That is 36,630 newspapers were delivered in a day. Question number 7. A factory manufactured 1,67,698 toys this year. The number of toys manufactured were 12,352 less than last year. Find the number of toys manufactured last year. So ಒಂದು ಬೊಂಬೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಆಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಸೊ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಟಿಕೆಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತೋ ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 12,352 ಟಾಯ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಾಯ್ಸನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ 12,352 ಟಾಯ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು 12,352 ಅನ್ನು 1,67,698ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ವರ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ I am not writing everything on the screen. Just I am writing the numbers and giving you the hint how you should solve. So the number of toys manufactured this year is 1,67,698. So we have to add 12,352 to this number to find the total number of toys manufactured last year. 8 plus 2 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 1 is returned as it is. So the total number of toys manufactured last year was 1,80,050. This was the total number of toys manufactured last year. So the last question of this exercise is question number 8. Atul purchased a plot of land for 3,75,890 rupees. He spent rupees 47,295 for leveling the plot and rupees 4,32,900 on construction. Find the total amount spent. So illu kuda to find total amount spent we need to add all the three numbers which represents the amount spent by him, and we will add these numbers to get the total amount. 3,75,890, 47,295 and 4,32,900. Add these numbers. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, 9 plus 9 is 18, 8 is written here, 1 is carried forward, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 9 is 20, 0 is written here, 2 is carried forward, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, 6 is written here, 1 is carried forward, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 5 is written here, 1 is carried forward, 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8. The total amount spent by Atul is 8,56,085 rupees. So you should conclude by writing the sentence or statement that the total amount spent, at least you should write like this: the total amount spent is equal to 8,56,085 rupees. See the symbol of Indian rupees. So the total amount spent is equal to rupees 8,56,085. So like this you have to write the solutions for all these questions. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned all the questions discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.